Welcome back to another day. Day 31. We're in Bali, Indonesia. And now it's time to head out for the gym. And someone is trying to break in. Look at that, the stereotype, Someone tried to break in. Okay. Does it work?
Wait, hold on. Upside down. Look at what Yusuf is wearing to Free Palestine.
That's it. The only way.
The amount of attention we're gonna get today. Bullies.
Good attention though.
What's that in there?
Drone.
Drone. Wow. Yusufu! Yusufu! Yusufu had this cap. Post Malone wore it, by the way, just so you know. Yeah. No wonder he didn't want me to get the Action 6 because he had one. Action 3. Yusufu! Okay, I need to stop. I need to puke.
Thank you so much.
You okay, brother?
Time to depart you. Opinions? Life is good.
A lot of
that.
sleep.
I see that.
I actually like sleeping as well, so him and I would get along. Yeah.
That's cool.
Like from the plant, from their smell. So after they choose, they will direct to eat. They will swallow everything. So we believe we put in like a God thing,
I
the
see, I
symbol,
see.
and we hope.
Around 45 minutes until 1 hour. And keep stirring until change color and aroma coming out.
So you can eat that now. Hey, coffee. Who wants some coffee? We're selling some coffee here. Who wants a cup of coffee? We have some coffee that we're selling here. It's typically $5, but I'm gonna do it for $2.22. This is the best coffee in Bali, and if you need some coffee, please just come forward. I know the line is getting long, so let's make sure we make a short line. Come on, make a straight line. People are backing up. My lady, do you want some coffee? You know what? Because you're in blue, I'll give you for $1. Okay?
Not crazy, bro.
So do they give them the dresses, or do the ladies come with these dresses?
I think they give them dresses. There was like a menu for dresses. Look, Just to change clothes. Bike?
No.
A red?
You're so good.
For real?
Thank you. I'm trying to treat you.
So, oh my god, we came back a while ago and yeah, it was a fun day to be honest. We ate some good food. We wanted to go out, but it's raining. It's tropical rain, and it's very difficult to go out raining with the motorcycle because there is danger of like falling, and that's why we're keeping it safe. I hope it stops raining so we can go out and enjoy the night in Bali. But yeah, so the last 2 days have been very exciting, very fun. We loved it, and we have 6 days ahead of us still, so we'll try to do as much as possible. We also wanted to visit the Gate of Heaven. I think it's called the Gate of Heaven. It's like two monuments. One is standing one in front of the other, and it's amazing. I mean, the pictures looks incredible. So yeah, I hope I don't have to end the video today now, because I really wanted to go out and explore, but it's raining way too much. Let me test the rain a little bit. I mean, it's not bad, but very dangerous. I don't know, I'm skeptical. So the rain has stopped a little bit, but still raining, but we're still going out. I'll just go to the shop to get some water and drinks, and I think that will be it for today. Shopping is done. Now we get home. So we are back, and I'm going to end today's video. Also, yesterday's video wasn't that long; it was 4 minutes. I also got some feedback from some viewers that it was way too short. Yeah, the reason behind was basically first I forgot to film some of the parts that weren't that important or that amazing, just like random interactions with people. Second of all, we spent too much time driving, and I wasn't able to like film too long while driving. That's why I was scared that maybe something could happen. That's why. So I will try to keep the videos long, as I said before the journey started, between 10 and 20 minutes long. And yeah, some thoughts. Well, the trip is coming to an end, sadly. We have, if I'm not mistaken, 20 days left, right? Today's day 31, 50, 29. No, 19 days left. Oh my god, we have 19 days left, which for some of you might sound too much, but me, after spending 31 days out of the house, traveling around Asia, it's sounding very short. So yeah, it has been an amazing experience so far. I wouldn't like change absolutely anything. Everything that I was able to experience has been amazing, and I've learned a lesson in each part of each city, one could say. And the feeling that I got here in Bali while driving today through, because Bali at the end of the day is a big island. It's part of Indonesia. It's just a big island. Like me thinking to myself while driving through the island, seeing the rice fields, the nature, the locals, the people, thinking, damn man, what am I doing here? Like, I left home, I don't know how many kilometers, 10,000 kilometers away, 3 continents behind, and like here with like a friend that I met maybe 2 weeks ago, which now like I can consider a really good friend. He's a really nice person. That's why we decided like to link up here again. And then damn, it's like life. It's so random and so good, and like the randomness of life makes it worth living. So like I said, it's an amazing place, an amazing people, and man, I'm going to miss this like feeling of being in a random place. No one knows me, I don't know anyone, and just like live, just go, just do it. So yeah, these are the thoughts of today. To anyone out there planning and thinking to do a trip, just do it. Don't think too much about it. And if you don't have friends to do it with, you will eventually have friends along the way. You will meet people, you will meet great people, and it will help you a lot as personal development. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you continue watching until the end of the journey. Appreciate it, guys. See you tomorrow.